Hey, Flurbird. Sanne here. So, maybe you like to drag stuff around in your level and you like photogrammetry. Well, you're lucky. Just go to Content and then click on Quixel Bridge. Quixel Bridge is a huge library of scanned photorealistic stuff that you can just yoink into your level. You do have to log in order for it to work, though. That's a thing. And also don't try to drag and drop stuff right from the Quixel Bridge browser, because that won't work. It will work, but it will work like this, and it didn't land where you dragged it out, and it duplicates because you dragged it twice, and it's quite annoying. So don't do that. How you do want to use this is by simply logging in. So you log in, and then you have the option to download stuff. And how do you download stuff? Well, you clicked on the download button on the item that you found. This download button. And then you can download stuff, and it's easy. Then it will just appear in your content browser. Now sometimes they don't load up. Just right click them, just select them and right click them, and it will fix it. And you will have a preview thingy, and it's really nice. And now just go crazy with your plant pottery and stuff like that. Get yourself another plant pot and just pot some plants. Yeah. I hope this helps. Now, at least now you know where to find Bridge. This is Flurbird. Out. Bye!